Welcome to the BodyFit Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses video. In this review, we'll go over the core features of the BodyFit program, its strengths and its weaknesses. Links to the products are included in the description for your convenience. BodyFit is an online fitness program designed to offer a variety of workout plans to meet different fitness goals, from fat loss to muscle building. It provides access to hundreds of on-demand workout videos, ranging from strength training and cardio to yoga and flexibility. The program is tailored for all fitness levels, with a focus on creating personalized workout routines based on your goals and preferences. One of the standout features is the customization aspect, as users can select their specific objectives, such as weight loss or improving strength, and get a workout plan that adapts over time. Strengths of BodyFit include its broad range of workout styles and the ability to follow a plan that suits your specific fitness level. Whether you prefer at-home workouts, gym sessions, or a mix of both, BodyFit has you covered. The app also provides progress tracking, which helps users stay motivated and see measurable results. Additionally, the instruction quality is high, with expert trainers leading each workout and offering modifications to suit various fitness levels. The flexibility of the program allows users to fit their workouts into busy schedules, with options for short, intense sessions or longer, more comprehensive routines. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. Some users may find the vast selection of workouts overwhelming, as it can be hard to navigate through so many options. Additionally, BodyFit's subscription can be on the pricier side, especially for those who only want access to a few specific types of workouts. While the variety is great, the lack of in-depth guidance for some advanced training techniques could be a downside for more experienced lifters. In conclusion, BodyFit is a comprehensive, flexible fitness program suitable for people of all levels. It offers a variety of workouts, expert-led sessions, and great tracking tools, making it a solid choice for those looking to get fit and stay motivated. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on BodyFit. Thanks for watching.